Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example which will be about bottle status checking. So let's look at the example first. Bottle status checking. After the bottle filling process, which takes 15 seconds, the conveyor has a sensor which checks the bottles whether half filled or fully filled. This process takes 5 seconds. In case of fully filled, the box will move on. In case of half filled, a linear actuator is used to move the box back into the second conveyor so that it will go again to the bottle filling process again. For this example, we will use normally open contacts as well as normally closed contacts. So there will be sensors that detect whether the bottle is fully filled or half filled. So if it is fully filled, the pump will stop, and if it is half filled, then the linear actuator will punch it into the previous conveyor where it will get filled. So for that, we'll use memory bits and timers like TP and TON. So let's move to TIA Portal where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. So this is the interface of TIA Portal version 16. So firstly, we need to go to PLC tags and default tag table. So here we need to add our inputs and outputs. So the first input is start button, and then we have one more input, that is the sensor, that is filling sensor, and then half sensor. It will denote the sensor that will detect whether the bottle is being half filled. And then we have some outputs like conveyor. So it is an output, so its address will be like Q 0.0. And then we have one more, that is pump. And then we have a linear actuator. After that, we'll go to program blocks and then main OB1. So here we will draw the ladder diagram. So I'll minimize this and then zoom into it like this. So I will insert a normally open contact and a coil. So this normally open contact will represent the start button, and this coil will represent a memory bit, let's say M0.0. And then I will latch it here. So I will open the branch and a normally open contact and close, and this will be M0.0. And after that, I will use network 2, and where we will use M0.0. So this is M0.0, and when M0.0 gets through, the conveyor starts. So I will insert a coil that represents the conveyor, and the conveyor will start when M0.0 is. And then I will insert one more normally open contact, that is the sensor. That is the sensor at filling station. When it gets activated, and the filling sensor gets activated, the pump will turn on. It will be the pump, and pump will fill the bottle for 15 seconds. For that, we will use a timer operation, that is TP, and the preset value for this TP will be 15 seconds. So when bottle reaches the filling station, the sensor gets activated and the pump turns on. And then we'll use network 4 where we will use a normally open contact for half sensor, the sensor which detects the bottle is half filled. If this sensor gets activated, then the linear actuator will get activated. Then the linear actuator will punch the bottle to the previous conveyor. So this will be the linear actuator. So this linear actuator will get activated for 5 seconds. So for that we will use a timer, that is TP, and the preset value for this will be 5 seconds. So I will move this like this, and this pump and this linear actuator will work only when start button is being pressed. So when M0.0 M0 is activated. So this will be M0.0. And then this will be, here we will use a normally open contact, and this will be M0.0. So after that, this conveyor should be stopped on filling and on when half filled is detected. So when pump is activated and linear actuator gets activated, then the conveyor will stop. So we will use normally closed contacts as pump and as a linear actuator. So now I will start the simulation here. Click on load and then finish. After that, I will start CPU, click on OK, and then I will start monitoring. After that, I will switch to project view, where we need to create a new project. After that, I will go to simulation tables and simulation table 1. After that, I will right click here and load project tags. So as you can see here, when I turn on the start button and then release, the conveyor will start and the bottle goes to the filling station, where the filling sensor gets activated and the pump gets on for 15 seconds. As you can see here, the pump is on and it will remain on. It will fill the bottle for 15 seconds and after that it will stop. As you can see here, the pump will stop and the conveyor again starts. And there is another sensor which detects if the bottle is being half filled. So if the bottle is filled and this sensor gets activated, then the linear actuator will punch the bottle in 5 seconds and after that the conveyor will again start. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.